Hi science fans, Mrs. Russell here, and this week we're going to be moving into a new unit called Organisms and Environment. Our first topic in this unit is 5.9a, Interdependency. We are going to observe the way organisms live and survive in their ecosystem by interacting with the living and non-living components. What exactly does that mean? Let's break down our vocabulary words. An ecosystem, all the living and non-living things and all of their interactions in an area. Organisms, a single self-contained living thing. Interaction, behavior in, near, or with something. To observe, we're going to be looking at and watching what organisms need to survive in their surroundings, including food and shelter. Survival, the process of staying alive and in existence. Now, what's the difference between living and non-living things? A living thing is part of an ecosystem, like a plant or animal with basic needs that must be met. They grow, change, produce waste, reproduce, and die. Non-living things, a part of the ecosystem that is not living, such as sunlight, oil, air, water, rock, and soil. Now, I know all you guys know I'm not the best artist, but I gave it a try and I drew Hoppy here. Hoppy is Bluebell's friend. They hang out sometimes together. Here's Hoppy's environment. He's got a pond, he's got grass around the pond, he's got a lily pad and a fly here. What are the living things and non-living things that Hoppy needs to survive? Well, the living things would be the grass, protection from predators, so he can go to the water, insects for food, and other frogs. But Hoppy also needs non-living things. He needs air, water, sunlight, rocks, and soil. There are many different types of ecosystems, too, that different animals can live in. We have forest, grasslands, tundra, tropical rainforest, deserts, freshwater, marine, and Arctic. This week for your assignment, you're going to need your yellow STEM Scopes book, and you're going to turn to page 71, and you're going to read about interdependency, the different ecosystems, the living and non-living interactions they have. You're going to take it all the way to page 75 and fill in this chart. I will post the answers for you to check your answers. This is a review for you to help get you some practice on the non-living and living things and their interactions that they have. When you're done reading about it, you're going to get your purple STEM Scopes and go to page 29 and do Home Sweet Home. You're going to choose an organism. Pick one. Tell me what it needs to survive. It can be in any of these ecosystems that we've already talked about. It could be a marine animal, it could live in the forest, a tundra, grasslands. Look it up and choose an animal, and then answer these questions. Draw me a picture of your organism. Tell me how it needs to survive. And then back here on this page, you're going to draw its ecosystem. And I want you to label all the living and non-living things in its ecosystem, just like we did for Hoppy here. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to email me or give me a call or join one of my Zoom meetings for my virtual office hours. I hope you all have a great week, and I hope to hear from you soon. Bye.